Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, 4240 auction find hooked up to the square baler. That means wheat harvest is in full swing. Dad and Mark are down there on gases, down there on 53. That's that field where a lot of wheat blew down. I'm going to try to get the drone out and see how bad it really is. So they're working at that. Mark's running the grain cart. Greg's getting ready to start baling second cutting. Hey, we're going to get this ready so we can bale right behind the combine some straw. Fill that straw mound. Probably only put up 1,000, 1,200 bales just for the baby calves. But yeah, finishing second cutting. Greg's kids got some baby calves going to the fair over there in Goodles. So they got to get them over there. We got a lot going on this week. We're going to stay focused and get it done. Let's go. First thing we got to do is change this shaft over. Pull this one out. And here's the spare one. It stays up here on these old tractors. I don't know how many of you guys know that. There's a clip that holds this in there. Now you want to be quick when you're changing these out because you got oil coming out. Ready? Whoa! Got it, guys. Lost a little bit. Lost a little bit. Clips back in. We're good to go. This big old quick hitch on this tractor is not helping matters. Not a lot of room, but we'll get it done. Put this PTO on there. We pull it off usually because it's kind of a pain to leave on there. But I guess it's kind of a pain to put back on too, ain't it? All right, we got it. We got it. Hook her right up. There she went. Dig out these hoses now and we'll hook them on. Okay, next up, he's got a couple ropes here. This rope controls. Now you pull that and he'll drive forward and that'll swing out. It'll be the bigger pickup. This is for like transport. He just kind of keeps it hooked on there. This other rope he's got running right down there. That'll release the wagon. That's like his automatic wagon release. When the wagon's full, he'll just kind of pull that and back around to another one. So looks like we got to hook the power up to this. So we'll do that next. This controls how far the thrower throws. Put that right in the cab of the tractor, plug it in. You remember me showing you this tractor? Clean old tractor. He's got the bugs worked out in it. Believe it or not, I had a problem with the water pump. And he's got all new AC. AC pump was locked up, lines. And it took a little bit, but that's what happens when you buy from an auction. You know, sometimes you just, looks like this is a piece of poly, so you could probably stick this right behind this plate. You know, you want it sturdy and they'll sit there and, okay, so that's good to go. This plugs in. You hang this out here, we'll plug that in. And now we gotta find a power source on a battery. The batteries on this side, you see these cubby doors that these John Deere's did? Look at that. They got away from that and they put a double door. Getting hot in here. I like that. Throttle up, remember, for the blower? Here's that plug. I just spit out there and there's the end. When we get down to that where they're taking wheat off, I'm going to try to get you in the air with that drone. I just got a new drone. The last one I crashed about a year ago. I never really got another one. This guy right here, my buddy Rick Dutler, land surveyor, you've seen him on the channel probably from time to time. He got me a drone. He says I miss seeing the aerial footage, and he pretty much got the drone. So anybody wants to put in a comment, say thank you, Rick Dutler, land surveyor. We've become pretty good friends through this YouTube. We're running low on manpower because we're doing the second cutting hay. We're baling the straw, so we brought in Jack, Mark's son. You ready? You got this? All right, pay attention. Youngest grain cart operator in the state of Michigan, or in this farm history anyway. I think he's 13. He's got to watch what he's doing. but he's gonna make up for a lot of help. Got to keep Dad moving if he wants to get anything done. Made it to the wheat field. Young Jack, 13, jumped in with Grandpa, my dad. We're gonna open this up. We'll check back in a little bit. Open it up so then he can pull the grain cart in there and dump. Then we'll get the semi put in here. So total team family effort going on today. Broken knife?
Oh yeah.
There she is. Brand new one. Yeah, do you guys hear that? The talk of what's going on is Jack's running the grain cart. Dad says make sure you don't go too fast. Keep an eye on what you're doing. We're gonna get ready to go bale some straw. Speaking of the devil, you ready to be the youngest grain cart driver in Michigan?
Yeah.
All right, Lance, spin this.
Yeah.
Oh. And we're good to go. I got it. Ready, Jack? Let's go, guys. Let's do it. Father and son. One getting in the grain cart. One getting in the semi. Okay, those guys got that handled. We're down here at another field, another farm called Stearns Farm. It's got a building on it. We use this for storing equipment. We keep all our hay wagons in here. 4 of these hay wagons, keep the Cullipackers in here. And I think we back them hay rakes in the fall when we're done with them. Keep the tedder in one of them corners. So we're gonna get these out. We're getting close to baling. We're gonna hit the field, but I'll show you these beans we got here. Not one of our better stands, but it's coming. This is about a 70-acre field. Got taken over by weeds. You can see they're dying off now, but they'll come. Hopefully we get some more rain. You can tell it's real dry, but this is one of our worst fields. I'm showing you instead of showing you all our best, but I think it's gonna come out of it, and it's gonna be just fine. Okay guys, that was Greg out there tearing it up. We'll probably bail up probably 6 to 8 of them. We know what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. It looks like we're gonna be filling up that straw loft for the babies, and it might rain, so it might work out to our benefit. But now we got to go check in with Mark. He's gonna be bailing up all that second cutting. There's 70 acres up there. We're gonna try to get it in. Got to get it in. And then they're combining. He's bailing. I'm gonna start milking like the cows in at least, and then keep going forward. So that's the update. And we're back. Cows are locked in to be milked. How you guys doing? How you doing, girls? We're gonna feed them up real quick, and then I'll catch up with you guys in the milking parlor. I'm gonna be in there milking while Greg does calves. How you doing, bub? Hey, Bubba. Greg will do calves. I'll finish milking, and that's gonna be the day. We're getting tired, but we're getting a lot done. So. And just like that, guys, we're all fed. All cows fed and accounted for. I'll show you when we go through here the lineup of cows that already been milked. Coming through here, bub. Coming through, hon. Coming through. I trust you. I trust you. You won't kick me. Okay, the cows you're seeing here lined up, they've already been milked. I'd like to think if I was a cow, I pretty much know if I was a cow, I'd be like these girls. You come in first, get milked as quick as you can, because you know the food, the buffet, and the water, all you can eat and all you can drink waiting for you after you get milked. All you can drink. We're talking about water here though. Let's head in, milk a couple cows, and finish out the day. Let's go.